So you're watching this video because you don't know how to install DVWA into VirtualBox. Well, DVWA has two different distributions. There's a live CD and there's the actual files that you can put on your own web server. For this video we're going to be using the ISO because it just allows me to give you something that gives you an instant environment to start hacking away at and doesn't add the complications of having to set up your own web server. So I've got VMware Player here. You can be using any different type of hypervisor, they all kind of work the same way. And the DVWA 1.0.7 ISO. At the time of this video there is actually a newer version out, and the link to that will be in this video's description. So I'm going to create a new virtual machine. I'm going to select the installer file. So here it is. But we're actually not going to be putting any disks on this, but we've still got to tell it somewhere to store them, even though we don't need a disk for this case. And make a new folder. I'm going to call it DVWA, so I can find it later if I need to. It's going to create a disk by default, but we don't need one, as I keep saying. I'm going to give it more RAM because it does have quite a lot on there, so I've given it 2 gig. And if we boot this up now, it should boot into DVWA. Yep, so we've got this here. If you just hit enter, you can actually install it from here, but we're just going to live boot the system. It's running on Ubuntu 10.04. That I didn't know, but now I do. So we're automatically logged in here, so we can do ifconfig, and we've now got an IP that we can start working at.